If you're wondering how to use Descript's live editing features, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you how to use this powerful tool to streamline your editing process and make your audio and video projects a breeze. First things first, Descript's live editing features let you edit your media as if you were editing a Word document. It works by transcribing your audio or video content into text, allowing you to make edits directly to the text, which automatically updates your media. This revolutionary feature saves you hours of work, making it ideal for anyone who's tired of traditional audio or video editing methods. When you first start, you'll want to import your audio or video file into Descript. Once uploaded, Descript automatically generates a transcript of your content. If you're using Descript's live editing, you can start editing right away by clicking on the text itself. Want to remove a word or phrase? Just delete it in the transcript. It's as easy as cutting text from a document, and Descript removes it from the video or audio without a hitch. Descript also lets you add and remove sections of text, which automatically adjust your media in real time. For example, if you cut a portion of a sentence, the surrounding audio or video will shift to match the change. This makes editing fast and smooth. The live updates mean you don't have to jump back and forth between tabs or worry about syncing cuts, a huge time saver for anyone working on content for YouTube, podcasts, or any form of digital media. Another amazing feature is the overdub tool, which allows you to type new words directly into the transcript, and Descript will automatically generate the corresponding audio. So, if you need to replace a word or sentence but don't want to record it again, Overdub has you covered. It's like having a voice actor at your disposal. This feature can be incredibly helpful if you realize there's a mistake you want to correct but don't want to go back to the mic. Also, Descript's live editing features come with video editing tools as well. You can split and trim your video clips by editing the text, adjust the flow of your content, or even add captions. It's great for content creators who want everything in one place. With this software, you're not only editing your audio but enhancing your video content as well. If you want even more control, Descript allows you to use their multi-clip editing feature. This lets you sync multiple clips together seamlessly, adjust the order, and ensure everything flows naturally, all done by editing the transcript. You can also insert background music or sound effects without disrupting your original content. By now, you're probably wondering how you can get started with this incredibly efficient tool. Well, you're in luck. You can get access to Descript and all its live editing features completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses when you sign up, making this offer too good to pass up. Whether you're editing a podcast, creating YouTube videos, or working on any kind of digital media, Descript's live editing tools will save you so much time. To wrap it up, if you're new to editing and want to work faster and more efficiently, Descript's live editing features are a game changer. You don't need to be an expert to get professional quality results. Plus, if you sign up using the link below, you'll get an extended free trial, so you can explore all the features at no cost. Check out the link, start using Descript's live editing features today, and see how much easier your editing can be.